Welcome to another episode of Box TV. This episode is about Dolly House and Fambilly Ram. Well, as a youth, everybody used to play Dolly House. It was just the thing. But only in a Dolly House can Family Ram go on. Cause remember, you don't play Dolly House with family member. Be a stranger. Number one man and a bag of girl. When me a play Dolly House, me no ram. Me a the father. Then we go look for the mother, daughter, and then she either have a sister or the mother have a sister. Make it a auntie. So 4 women, 1 man. Me are the man, me are the father. Now 2 man nothing in a Dolly House. Cause remember, you know, it's one little tent to pull up and make something for cover up, for call it the house. Dolly House is always in the daytime, but somehow nighttime always come fast. Why? Because that's the whole of the activities go on. You know, the daytime, you know, we fake up and them look something and pretend like we are drinking and chat and go on with a bag of foolishness and send the pinnacle to school and them something. Mother gonna shop and them something. But when night time come, everybody got them bed. Pull the sheet over on the head and go on the bed. And since that is one tent over, everybody under, them have to pull the sheet over themselves to make it look like them gone on them beds when them time they come. And since that was me and 3 other women at the tent, while me a dogo the mother, me a give some wicked killing, you know, me a talk about some stuff and she make some kitten sound, you know. And one time, you know, me a deal with the mother way, you know, we a dogo, you know, and me see the daughter a peep underneath the cover like she want to see what really a go on. And I look over my shoulder and spot her. I say, yeah, go and look, cause you get it too. Basically, the daughter know what go on, cause the mother don't make a bag of knife, so the daughter want to try it out. But how that go work though? Mother forgot work the next day. You know, I can't tell me no never do them thing they want to read younger. Daddy and daughter start dogo too. So daddy and daughter start, but all in a Dolly House. Some not do it in a real life. Nasty. Dolly House was always fun to me. I always have a whole heap of fun doing Dolly House. No fun to play Dolly House and there's enough can lose them virginity. And remember, Box TV, subscribe, like, share, and one little button there on us up on YouTube. You can like, dislike, or whatever you want to do. Thanks for all I support them. We have forward him. Not to no lie, I love you no almost. Books. Still have share my watch it. Don't forget to subscribe to War Professor on YouTube, War Professor on IG, Twitter, and many more videos to come and enough more things to share. It's just getting started.
Look on the side, your edges are dead. Head side funeral, you know what I mean. What? It no cost nothing for a perm and a cream. Head side pick out, you hear them a scream. Oh God, they hear them a scream. Everywhere we see her, people are talk. We can't see her head side and no laugh. Bitch, edges there, liar.